This is my cute little bicycle from the hotel. I love cycling. In October, November, the weather is actually really nice. It's not too hot outside, as you can see. So cycling along the beach is actually very nice. Just need to pay attention and avoid people. Wow, look at that. So what's actually new here is since I left, there are more little shops like this, which is very nice at night. They have little stalls. Well, obviously they are closed during the day because there's no one here. But yeah. Oh, there's also a very nice bar over there. So remember the the video I took last time? I was here, and the beach is mostly cleaned up now. It looks beautiful again. Just bear with me. I'm gonna approach the bar, beach bar here, which is also very new. We have a lot of Koreans visiting lately. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. So even with the economy and all this, hotels are still being built. Yeah. Vietnam is building all the time, it doesn't matter. Such a nice lifestyle, honestly. If you can work remote, come to Vietnam. Well, if you can work remote, you can go anywhere. Really. Look at this. Foreigners watching the cleanup. Okay, let's go to the workout station that was completely destroyed last time and see if, yeah, what's happening with that. Looks okay again here. That's a beautiful thing I've noticed with the mindset. They get things done very quickly here, and but also then they're not really having a preparation mindset. Vietnam is always just fixing after things happened, but preparing is not the biggest strength, in my opinion. So, okay. Well, obviously this part will take a while to reconstruct. Yeah, but it looks a little bit cleaner now. Whatever that means. So, danger. Okay. Awesome. So tonight, Andrea's coming. Andrea, she's on her flight at the moment, and she's coming to Vietnam. So I'm gonna pick her up from the airport later, and then we can enjoy the beach together. Right? That's from my side. Have a good day, everyone.